Samsung Galaxy A75 5G. In the Samsung Galaxy A, we have a new smartphone called Samsung Galaxy A75 5G. All the smartphones in this series have a 5G feature. The Samsung Galaxy A75 5G is an upcoming smartphone with a blend of performance and features. Here's a simplified overview. Display: 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Performance: it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus processor. Comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Expandable up to 1 TB via a microSD card. Cameras: rear cameras, 108MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP macro lens, 5MP depth sensor. Front camera: 32MP for selfies and video calls. Battery: 5,000 mAh capacity with 67W fast charging support. It has an amazing battery, which gives you amazing battery backup. You don't need to carry a charge everywhere, and it lasts for the whole day. If you are a person with very hard routing, then you don't need to charge your smartphone again and again. Operating system: runs on Android 12. Price in India: its price in India is expected to be around rupees 39,999. If you are a Samsung lover, then you need to try this smartphone. It has all the essential features like a good battery, an amazing camera, and decent function. This smartphone is totally worth buying. As great performance with amazing camera and decent battery backup with good screen size. Related articles you might enjoy: Samsung big announcement. Drops on AC, fridges, and other products. See details. iPhone 16 Pro price drop on Amazon. Big discount and exciting exchange offers inside. Get the best offers on Honor Magic Pad 2 tablet during Amazon's Great Indian Festival. Vivo T3 Pro 256 GB excellent display and decent performance. Moto G34 5G with 50MP camera and 5,000 mAh battery. Price slash.